Today I'm going to show you how to use DB Custom new tab URL. After you installed it, you'll see Sites and Custom. You can select a site or you can choose a custom URL. So let's go ahead and choose Google and hit Save. Let's open up a new tab. There's Google. Let's say we want DuckDuckGo. Hit Save. And now it's DuckDuckGo. Maybe what you're looking for is in custom. Let's go ahead and add a website. HTTP example.com and let's hit save. Now it's example domain. Now underneath this you'll see where it says focus address bar. I'm going to show you what this does. First of all, let's open up a new tab because it was already checked. You see this address bar at the top here? You see how it's blue? This means it's focused, so you can type at any time. And if you go to uncheck it and hit save and open up a new tab, if there's an input on the page, it'll focus on that instead. Let's go ahead and pin it. Let's go up here and pin it. Now we can select at any point in time. So let's go to caret, open up a new tab. Let's go to ST. Let's focus and hit save. And there it is. If I go to unfocus and hit save, now I can use that input. If you go to custom and you don't add anything in here and you hit save and you go to open up a new tab, it'll just show you this where it gives you some random quotes. And then it gives you the option to open into a page again. And then here you can select your search engine and open up a new tab. If you install the extension and you don't add a custom site or from the list here, and you go to open up a new tab, it'll just show a loading page. And it'll show random quotes every single time, and it'll allow you to open up the options page and choose from here. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple extension. Allow you to select from a list, add a custom URL, and have the ability to focus or unfocus the address bar. That's pretty well it. There's buttons at the top here that'll bring you into both pages. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoy.